Hey y'all, first of all, get into the hair. But y'all, the makeup is giving very orangey, very out rushed this morning. It's giving rushed. So I want to show you guys these lashes that I got off Amazon right here. Oh my god, oh my god, these are freaking amazing. So I'm gonna show you. They came with these, and they came with Bond and Seal, but y'all know we use hair glue. This is the glue and stuff I use. But yeah, so they come with different lengths. They come with like super long, and then they have like the short at the bottom. But I want to see if they have just like all short, because I did one side and these is the short, y'all. Like the shorts are freaking amazing. So don't follow me, y'all. Don't follow me. I just take the small and I grab it by the top. I don't grab it by the bottom because I don't want to rip the lash. I knew it. This is their tweezers. So I just pulled off. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I colored my hair. If you watch my stuff, you would know. I put a little glue on it like this, and then I go in. Boom. Right on my waterline. And just fix it. Hopefully y'all can see it. And I'll just space it out just a little bit. Y'all, please don't say nothing about my makeup, because I know I was rushing. I was like a Oompa Loompa. Y'all, she cute. There we go, y'all. So yeah, these I got from Amazon, and then the top I got from Amazon. I actually had my top lashes on for about 4 days, so they still on there, girl. I gotta fix them, but they still on there. I'll leave the link to these, and I'll also leave you the link to these. You can just go to my bio. Now my bio, y'all know I'm still a micro content creator, whatever you want to call me. So I don't have it to where I'm not eligible for the clickable like website link now. All you gotta do is type in Linktree, you know, all things Brittany, and then all my links to my different like platforms and stuff will come up. And you'll just go to my Amazon storefront, and then you'll go to must have lashes, and you'll find these bottom lashes, and then you'll also find these top lashes as well. So yeah, girl, your girl getting up there, but she's not up there. So right now you guys have to like kind of type it in, or you can just comment or DM me, or I'll DM you the link or whatever. So because I think when I message people, it gives a clickable link. Yeah, you know, put the girlies on, and yeah, we about to go somewhere, because somebody gotta see these lashes. We gotta go somewhere. Bye.